Let us write a complete Python program to implement stack by making use of list. First you need to save your file. It has already been saved. You can start with a comment. So implementing stack by making use of list. Then you can create a function for displaying the menu. So your function looks like this. Use the keyword def followed by name of the function, function symbol followed by colon. Certainly you should write a document string for the function. You can give the heading menu, and these are the various options of the menu. Push for inserting the element, pop for deleting the topmost element, peek returns the topmost element without deleting, show displays each and every element of stack starting from the topmost element and ending at the bottom, count returns the number of elements present in stack, and exit used to exit from the program. After displaying the menu, you should enter your choice. So you can create a function for reading the choice. This is a function. So C contains the choice entered, and C should be returned as answer so that your main function will receive the choice. After that, you can write a function for reading the element that you want to insert. So by making use of int input, you can read the element that you want to insert. C should be returned as answer. Your main function contains the element that you want to insert. Now after that, you can define the function push. This function already explained. After this, you can define the function pop, and it is used for deleting the topmost element. So this function already explained. Now you can define the function peek. It is used to return the topmost element of the stack without deleting it. This function has been explained. Finally, you can write the code for show function, which is used to display each and every element of stack implemented using list. This function is also explained. Now you can write the main function. So this is your main function. So in the main function, S points to an empty list, while true means it is an infinite while loop. Why did you make use of infinite while loop? Only when you enter option number 6 you should exit from the program. Break takes the control outside loop. Outside while loop, no more statements are there, so here you exit from the program. First, the menu should be displayed. After that, you can read your choice. If choice is 1, you should insert an element into stack using list. So first you should read the element that you want to insert. For that, you can call this function. Variable E contains the element that you want to insert. By calling the function push, you can insert this element into stack S. If choice equal to 2, you should delete the topmost element from stack using list. So you can call the function pop, and S should be passed to this function. If choice equal to 3, you should return the topmost element without deleting that. So for that, you can call the function peek. Certainly the list must be passed. If choice equal to 4, you should display each and every element of stack starting from the topmost element and ending at the bottom. Certainly the list must be passed. And if choice equal to 5, you should display the total number of elements present in the stack, and in order to get the total number of elements in stack implemented using list, you can call the function len within bracket the name of the list. If choice equal to 6, you should break from while loop, you exit the program, and if you enter a choice other than 1 to 6, it is wrong option. Menu does not contain this item. Let me run this program by pressing the functional key F5. So first, menu displayed. After that, enter the choice from the keyboard. Let me start with 1. Enter the element that you want to insert. So let me insert the element 10. So one element inserted into stack implemented using list. Let me insert 2 more elements. So again, let me use option number 1. Enter the element that you want to insert, example 20. So now two elements are inserted. This is the element at the top, this is the element at the bottom. Let me insert one more element. So again let me use option number 1 so that I can insert one more element. Enter the element that you want to insert, say for example 30. So now three elements are inserted. This is the element at the top, this is the element below that one, this is the element at the bottom. If you want to see all the elements, you can call the show function. So option number 4. You can see all the three elements, element at the top, element below that one, element at the bottom. Now if you want to return the topmost element, you can call the function peek, option number 3. So the topmost element is equal to 3. Now if you want to count the number of elements, you can use option number 5. You can see that total number of elements is equal to 3. If you want to delete an element, you can use option number 2. The topmost element is the first one to be deleted. You can see that the deleted element is equal to 30. Now if you display all the elements, 30 will not be there. So let me use option number 4. You can see that 30 is not there because the topmost element is deleted. So now 20 is the topmost element, this is the element at the bottom. So now if I call option number 3, I can see the topmost element. You can see the topmost element is equal to 20. Now if I use option number 5, number of elements is equal to 2. You can see that number of elements is equal to 2. Now if I enter an option number other than 1 to 6, I get wrong choice. See, if I type 99, the menu does not contain this option, and in order to exit from the program, you can type option number 6. So this is implementing stack by making use of list.